Very good morning, dear students. Myself S.S. Shah, PGT English. Today, I am explaining the rules of clause. Now have a look. Clause is a part of a sentence having its own subject and predicate. Example: if you will give money, I shall go there. I am happy because I won medal. In first sentence, two sentences are there. If you will give money plus I shall go there. In second, I am happy plus because I won medal. Now you see, it means in first sentence also two clauses are there, and in second also two clauses are there. Now thereafter, principal clause, or what you say main clause. Principal clause is a part of a sentence having complete meaning without joining word or what you call conjunction before it. It means it is totally independent. Now, example you see, the teacher asked a question but no one answered. Here, two clauses are there. The first one written in bold letters, that one is principal clause. The teacher asked a question. Here it is principal clause. It is totally independent. Now thereafter you will succeed if you will work hard. Here also you see, you will succeed. This is what principal clause I have written in bold letter. Thereafter subordinate clause or dependent clause it is. Subordinate clause does not express complete meaning and depends on principal clause to express complete meaning. Example you see, the teacher asked a question but no one answered. It means the second part but no one answered is totally dependent on first part, that means on principal clause. In the same way, you will succeed if you will work hard. Here you see, if you will work hard is totally dependent on you will succeed, I mean on principal clause. So here, but no one answered, this is subordinate clause. You will work hard, this is subordinate clause. Now, let's move ahead. Kinds of subordinate clause. Three types of clauses are there: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Now you see, noun clause. A dependent clause that does the work of a noun is called noun clause. Example: what he did made a problem for his family. Here, what he did is noun clause. A noun clause starts with words like that, what, whatever, who, whom, whoever, and whomsoever or whomever. This clause works as a noun that acts as a subject or object or predicate in a sentence. Examples you see, whatever you learn will help you in future. Here whatever you learn is a noun clause and it is the subject also. It means here I have used here as a subject. What you said made me laugh. Here you see, as a subject I have used. He knows that he will pass the test. That he will pass the test. Here it is an object and this is noun clause. Now I realize what he would have thought. As an object it is. So here what he would have thought is a noun clause. Thereafter adjective clause. A dependent clause that functions as an adjective in a sentence is called adjective clause. Example: he wears a shirt which looks nice. Here which looks nice is adjective clause. The clause which looks nice in above sentence is an adjective clause because it modifies noun shirt in the sentence. And we know that adjective qualifies noun, it modifies noun. Now it begins with relative pronoun like that, who, whom, whose, which or whose. Example you see, I met the boy who had helped me. Here, who had helped me is an adjective clause. An apple that smells bad is rotten. That smells bad is an adjective clause. The book which I like is helpful in preparation for test. Which I like is an adjective clause here. Now go further. Adverb clause. You say a dependent clause that functions as an adverb in a sentence is called adverb clause. This clause modifies a verb, adjective clause, or other adverb in a sentence. The subordinate conjunctions used for adverb clauses are as follows. Now I have separated it by giving time, cause and effect, contrast and condition. Now first of all you say time. When, whenever, since, until, before, after, while, as, by the time, as soon as. Thereafter cause and effect, because, since, now, that, as long as, so that. Contrast, although, even, whereas, while, though. Condition, if, unless, only if, whether or not, even if, provided that, in case. Now examples you see. Don't go before he comes. Here before he comes is adverb clause. He takes medicine because he is ill. Because he is ill, adverb clause. Although he tried a lot, he could not climb up the tree. Here although he tried a lot is adverb clause. Although he tried a lot, I have completed it. Now next one. Unless you study for the test, you can't pass it. Unless you study for the test is adverb clause. I will go to the school unless it rains. Unless it rains, it is adverb clause. You are safe as long as you drive carefully. Here, as long as you drive carefully is adverb clause. You can achieve anything provided that you struggle for it. Provided that you struggle for it is adverb clause. Students, I hope that you must have liked my video. Please like it and subscribe also. Thank you. Have a nice day.